Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to set TikTok Live Wallpaper on lock screen for iPhone. TikTok allows you to turn certain videos into live wallpapers that can be used on your iPhone. To use a TikTok video as a live wallpaper, you'll need to set it or save it as a live photo first. Follow these steps to set a TikTok live wallpaper on your iPhone lock screen. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the TikTok app. Find a TikTok video you want to use as a wallpaper. Tap the share button on the video. Select live photo from the sharing options. Wait for the video to be converted and saved to your photos library. Now open the settings app. Tap wallpaper, then select add your wallpaper. Tap photos, then go to collections tab. Find the live photo gallery and tap on it. Choose the TikTok live photo you just saved. Tap add, then choose your preferred wallpaper option. Lock your iPhone and view the lock screen to confirm the wallpaper has been applied. Take note that not all TikTok videos can be saved as live photos because creators can disable downloads and sharing features. Using other shorter videos often produces better live wallpaper results and faster loading times. You can repeat these steps anytime to replace your current lock screen wallpaper with a different TikTok live photo. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.